Go ahead, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome all of you to the Facebook Live program. This is Dr. Rekha G Dietitian, Oasis Fertility Center, Bengaluru. Today, I am going to talk on the topic sleep, circadian rhythm, and fertility. So, this is one of the main topic because it has a major impact on the fertility. So let us know about each one of these means sleep and circadian rhythm. How they going to affect how they are going to have impact on the fertility and all. Okay, sleep as we know, the well balanced diet and exercise is important. In the same way, a sound sleep is very has also have an impact on all of the aspects. Means total overall health and along with the well being. Okay, so we have to have a complete knowledge about the quality of the sleep and how it is influenced by many of the hormonal factors in our body, and what are the negative impact of disturbed sleep on the fertility and all. So, adequate sleep is very much crucial for overall health and well-being. So, the neuronal sharing of reproductive tract and reproductive axis, along with the sleep axis in the brain, are almost same. So, that has a positive or negative impact on the fertility. So, as I said, both shares the common anatomical position in the brain. Many of the things which are related to sleep, and many of the things which are related to reproductive, like reproductive hormones, they will have a bidirectional impact on both things. So, as the sleep get disturbed, this will have a negative impact on the menstrual cycle, and have a negative impact on the ovulatory cycle. And when it comes to male, it has a negative impact on the quality of the sperm, motility, and the count of the sperm. So we have to have a good proper sleep. Good proper sleep means if a person has, according to the circadian rhythm, between 10 p.m. to 6 p.m. If a person have a good sleep within this period, that will have a positive impact on the hormone levels in our body. So melatonin is the hormone which governs the sleep. So this melatonin hormone is mainly released by suprachiasmatic neuron. This is the center which controls all the biological clock in our body. It is situated in the hypothalamus. So it will helps to produce the melatonin hormone, and it is influenced by the day and night cycle, and it is mainly influenced by the light cycle. So we have to concentrate on the day and light cycle, and our body is governed by all the things. Means how we have control over the things like lights. Means during the day we have to work, and during the night we have to go to the sleep. Dark cycle means darkness have a positive impact on the production of the melatonin hormone. So we have to sync our biological clock, and each and every life cycle with the nature cycle. As the comes up, we have to get up. As the moon comes, we have to go to the sleep. So then it will have a positive impact on the reproductive system also, as it governs almost all the functions of the body. In the same way, it has a positive impact on the reproductive cycle. So now let us know about the circadian rhythm. It is the physical, mental, and behavioral changes that follows 24-hour cycle. So this circadian rhythm is mainly influenced by the light, and the temperature of the body. So, so this circadian rhythm, this process have a positive impact by the light and the dark cycle of the uh, nature. So we have to concentrate on the thing. Means everything's are interrelated. Like the sleep pattern have a impact on the circadian rhythm, and the circadian rhythm also is get impacted by the sleep pattern. So we have to study that properly in order to get a better result and positive impact, better impact on our overall body function, especially as we are talking about the reproductive function and reproductive issues. This will have a positive impact on the reproduction. So the study of the circadian rhythm is called as the chronobiology. The chronobiology, by study means this chronobiology have a detailed explanation about the circadian rhythm, because in our body there are many these rhythms like infradian rhythm. These are and other rhythms are there, which are related to different hormones and different functions in the body. In the same way, this circadian rhythm, this will be impacted with the day and light and dark cycles. So this biological, the many of the things are governs this circadian rhythm in our body. Well, first one is a genetic factor. There are many genes which are responsible for the circadian rhythm in our body, and along with that, many of the factors many of the factors like the protein intake and the good amount of nutritional diet, which are also have a positive impact on the circadian rhythm. Along with that, the physical activity what we are doing also have a impact on the circadian rhythm. So these circadian rhythms in our body is controlled by the supra schematic neuron, which is as already I have told you, the melatonin is secreted by this neuronal center. This is the main center in the brain, which governs the circadian rhythm. Along with that, many of the biological clocks. These biological clocks are these are the chemical substances like proteins, which are the timing devices in the body. Each and every cell has these chemicals in our body. So every tissue and every organ has its own biological clock. This biological clock in together is governed by the suprachiasmatic neuron. So this have a impact on the overall function of the body. So when this cycle is this rhythm is gets disturbed, it will have a negative impact on the hormones, especially the sexual hormones, both in case of male and female. So this in turn results many of the issues issues when it comes to female. It has many of the issues like ovulatory dysfunction. The quality of the ovum can be compromised because of that, and the cycles may be impaired. There may be an ovulatory cycle, and many of the lifestyle disorders like diabetes, hypothyroidism, and many of the things will be caused due to the impaired circadian rhythm. When it comes to male, it will have a negative impact on the testosterone. Means the testosterone level will get reduced, which has a negative impact on the quality of the sperm, and the numbers will be compromised. The quality and the numbers and the motility is also get affected by this. So we have to consider each and everything while in order to maintain a good, better health. So in total, we have to have a good and our lifestyle should be well maintained. That has a definitely has a positive effect on the fertility also. When it comes to circadian rhythm, we have to maintain a proper sleep pattern has to be maintained. Many of the factors like jet lags, these things will also means, and the shift workers, those people will have also be affected with many of the hormonal imbalances, because it will affect the proper function of the circadian rhythm. So we have to know all those things, and we have to correct things accordingly. So then only we will have a positive impact of the circadian rhythm on the reproduction. When the circadian rhythm is impaired, this will have a negative impact on the sleep. Because of the sleep impairment, person will be having some of the psychological issues, and stress will be increased. And one more thing for the infertility is the stress factor, increased level of stress factor. This increased level of stress also have a negative impact on the sleep pattern. This is also bidirectional. In turn, this will have a negative impact on the sexual hormone, leading to infertility. So we have to consider each and everything in our daily routine, like good sleep pattern, good maintaining the circadian rhythm properly, along with the proper physical activity, and the proper food habits we have to maintain, so that it will have yes, there may be many of the issues which are anatomical things, which can be corrected surgically or with medication from the fertility experts. Along with that, the lifestyle modification is the one thing which has a major impact on the overall reproductive process. So even in many of the researchers, the sleep pattern has been considered as one of the important thing, which has a positive impact, a positive or negative impact on the IVF cycles. So we have to consider each and everything, and according to that we have to move on. So this is all about the thing. Thank you, Anita. Hi, Tanu. Hi, Tanu.